Hello and welcome to Scribble Maps. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit about this free tool and how you can use it in your classroom. We're going to start at scribblemaps.com, and this service will work on your desktop computer or a mobile device. If you go ahead and click Create Your Map Now, it'll take you to this window. And since we're using the free version, we might have to X out this VIP advertisement and shrink this toolbar over here. And then we get a blank slate, and this map is completely customizable. Say you want to add some shapes to it. We've got some wonderful shapes that we can add: rectangles, circles, polygons, whatever you'd like. Polygon is my personal favorite because you can make whatever shape you want. You just place the points where you'd like the shape's points to be, and it makes it for you with those nice perfect lines. And when you're ready to finish, just double click. There's your shape that you just drew by hand. Also works very well for squares and for circles. Then if you'd like to add a text label and label those, it gives you the option to add a title, a description. You can even add a photograph to your description, just to include the URL for the image. It'll tell you the latitude and longitude of the point that you clicked, and if you want it to disappear when you zoom out on your map, just check this box, shrink on zoom. Place markers are an excellent feature of Scribble Maps. You can use numbers. They also provide geographic location markers or countries' flags, and you can use any of those as a place marker. Place it wherever you'd like, and you can give your place marker a title, and in the description you have a little bit more freedom. You can include a web link, a YouTube video, an image, or a SoundCloud file. It'll also tell you the latitude and longitude of where you placed your marker, and if you want the marker to be visible when you zoom out on your map, do not click Shrink on Zoom. You can also add images to your map by clicking Place Image Overlays. You just need to have the image URL, and then you'll be able to move or resize that photo using this pointer feature right here. The hand feature will grab and move your map for you a little bit easier. This paint bucket is how you'll be able to change the color of any of your fillings or shapes. Just go ahead and change the color and dump it in. And you can always change your mind with the undo feature, or redo if you actually did like that. And the erase feature is great because we all make mistakes, and unlike the paint application, you do not have to erase every single dot that you created. It knows that you created a square, and you just click that and it'll erase the whole thing for you. If you want to rotate the overlays that you've created, just go ahead and use this feature. That will rotate that for you. You can also use the Scribble feature to draw any freestyle lines that you want. Say you wanted to write something on there. Scribble allows you to freestyle, while the straight line feature will draw straight lines for you. You can make them, instead of just solid lines, you could change those to arrows, make different colors, but it'll draw straight lines for you. The flight feature will also draw straight lines, but it will indicate flight patterns and measure the distance that you are drawing, which is a great feature as well. Say you want to find a specific location, you can go ahead and search that right in the search bar, and it'll take you right there where you can place a marker if you'd like as a placeholder. And then once you have these place markers and you have these paths, how are your map viewers going to know what you're talking about? That is when we create a legend. So you can create a legend over here in the corner and say that these lines are going to be a certain path. Maybe this marker means something else to you. This polygon shape means an area of population. You can add whatever you would like to your legend. Just go ahead and label that. You can always edit it later, change the order of the way it's displaying on there, delete something. Very customizable on the legend. And then you can even change the style of your map. So say you don't like it to look like this, the default style is Google hybrid between satellite and terrain, but you have a lot of different options. Say you want to use something a little bit prettier. Now there's a couple different options on Mapbox that look great. Comic will even make it look like a comic book. And pencil is just the idea of a map, but really looks like it was drawn in pencil. And then you can always just start completely blank with a whiteboard and create things however you'd like. The possibilities are endless. Thank you.